Cats, de meest succesvolle musical ooit, komt volgende zomer naar ons land. Een onvergetelijke belevenis voor jong en oud. Exclusief voor België. Van 30 juli tot 18 augustus in Cursaal Oostende. Boek nu de beste plaats via sherpa.be of bel 070 22 56 00.
My job, mainly artistically, is to make sure that the choreography, the original choreography, is kept intact and clean, that the intention through the direction is kept intact, and that the tempos are kept the same, that the lighting looks great, as it will do with the crew that we've got, and the stage looks as it should do. So basically maintaining the show as you see it, as the public sees it.
Cats is a very solid show. It's been a success for nearly 30 years. Why is that?
Well, 32 years actually. I'm going to say that it's a success because it's such a clever show. There's so much detail involved in it and so much love and attention that's gone into it right across the years, not just at the beginning. It's always evolving, and I think that keeps it popular, it keeps it relative to everything that's going on, and it's great fun to watch.
Is this show, this new version, different from the Cats we know?
Every production of Cats is ever so slightly different because it's a different cast, and every cast is given a certain degree of interpretation. So any production you go and see of Cats is going to be slightly different to the last one, but the intention, the story, the lyrics, the music, the dance is all pretty much the same.
Hello, my name's Adrian Cook. I'm the musical director on Cats, and this is my territory. And these are some of my boys in the band. Say hello. Hello. They're mutes, they're not cats.
I saw the show yesterday, and it struck me that the music was very up to date now and very energetic, so that's a bit of your responsibility?
Our job is actually to keep it consistent, especially tempo, because it's a dance show. It's very important to keep it consistent. The show's 32 years old. Is that right? 32 years old. Yeah. So in some respects, it's a credit to Andrew that I mean, you know, the great thing about Cats is the pastiche writing. I mean, you've got rock, you've got classical, and everything in between. So that's sort of the genius of Weber.
Has something changed about the music for this tour version, or is it largely the score we all know and love?
It's the same score. We've got the up-to-date in terms of the keyboards. We've got an 8-piece band, but the 8-piece band sounds like a 30-piece orchestra because of especially these 3 keyboards with mapping.
Beautiful.
Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of the new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too. And
This one is supposed to look really rough because this is the poor old thing that's well past her best. So with this one I actually have to do it and then I have to spray it with water to pull it out again, so it looks terrible.
That's painful.
It is painful when you've done all this and you have to put water on it to get rid of it, yeah. Because at the moment it's too curly.
Yeah. That's Grisabella.
This is the glamour cat. Yeah.
I heard the wigs are made of yak.
Yes.
Is that true? And
Yes.
why is that?
It's because these wigs are supposed to be cat's fur. They're not supposed to look like human hair. And the human hair is too fine to hold the shape during the show. And also it wouldn't look like cat's fur.
Okay.
So this is actually supposed to look quite coarse.
So it's an art on itself.
It's very different. They're specialist wigs. They're not anything like normal theatre wigs at all.
Cats, de meest succesvolle musical ooit, komt volgende zomer naar ons land. Een onvergetelijke belevenis voor jong en oud. Exclusief voor België. Van 30 juli tot 18 augustus in Cursaal Oostende. Boek nu de beste plaats via sherpa.be of bel 070 22 56 00.